Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Yanguma Montilla. I am from Rio Blanco, Tolima. Today I am going to describe my coaching for the English level using virtual course with Sena. In this video I will talk about his personal information, fiscal description, hobbies, likes, dislikes, and some important details about his life. Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about my cousin and friend Ali Fernando Montilla. He is 32 years old. He is Colombian and lives in the municipality of Ortega. Arlis is about 1 meter and 75 centimeters tall. He is a teacher in an educational institution. He is a white-skinned man with a kind and pleasant appearance. He always looks neat and professional. Arlis loves playing micro soccer and his favorite position is goalkeeper. He is passionate about sport and enjoys parties and celebrations with family and friends. He is a good cousin, friendly and very attentive to his wife. He likes traveling, reading, and learning new things. He also works on agricultural projects and always tries to improve his knowledge. Thank you.